where dips the rocky Highland of Sleuthwood in the lake. There lies a leafy island where flapping herons awake. The drowsy water rats, there we've hid our fairy vats, full of berries and the reddest stolen cherries. Come away, oh human child, to the waters and the wild, with a fairy hand in hand. For the world's more full of weeping than you can understand. Where the wave of moonlight glosses the dim grey sands with light, by far our furthest crosses we footed all the night, weaving golden dances, mingling hands and mingling glances, till the moon has taken flight. To and fro we leap and chase the frothy bubbles, whilst the world is full of troubles and is anxious in its sleep. Come away, oh human child, to the waters and the wild, with a fairy hand in hand. For the world's more full of weeping than you can understand. Away with us he's going, the solemn night. You'll hear no more the lowing of the calves on the warm hillside, or the cattle on the house sing peace into his breast, or see the brown mice ball round and round the oatmeal chest. For he comes